Hey, I'm Christy with Oak Hill Millworks. I've been working with Baird Brothers for about 3 years now, but the truth is I started learning about Baird Brothers first when I was a kid. My dad actually introduced me to the brand, and the first time I came by and got to see the products for myself, I fell in love and knew exactly what he had been talking about all these years. My very first project with Baird was a shiplap feature wall in my house, and that was awesome. We used the finger jointed poplar shiplap, and it just totally transformed the space. So that was probably my favorite, and it was the first one, so it's special for that reason. Some of my favorite projects though are when I get to do a DIY project around the house with Steve Stack. He's my buddy, you know him well. He pretty much tells me exactly what I need to put in there. One of the neat things about Baird Brothers is that when you have an idea but you're not exactly sure how to make it come to life, you can just talk to them and they usually know exactly what you need.